The UK's Foreign Secretary, James Cleverly, says its more than £38 million humanitarian assistance to Nigeria's northeast in the past 12 months has saved the lives of vulnerable conflict-affected persons. Cleverly made this known while on a visit to the UN Humanitarian Air Service at the Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport, Abuja. Commending the UN agencies and its partners in Nigeria, Cleverly said that they must all work in collaborations with the UK and Nigerian government to bring a permanent, sustainable solution to the socio and ecological destruction in the region.
I am here today to draw attention to the work that's being done by the international community with the support of the United Kingdom government through the Office of the Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office to support our good friends here in Nigeria, and I'm honoured to be accompanied by the Permanent Secretary, but also representatives of the international community, the multilateral humanitarian family, to help address the severe challenges faced by many Nigerians in the north of the country, particularly the northeast of the country. Instability there, terrorist activities and the activities of armed militia groups have significantly limited the opportunity of farmers to make a living in that part of the country, and that of course compounded by the situation that we see with climate change, and sadly now with the challenges that we are witnessing across the border in Niger, means that for millions of Nigerians there are real challenges with producing the food that they need. This is why the United Nations Humanitarian Air Service plays an invaluable role distributing the food aid provided or funded by the UK government and others from the international community to take that food support directly to the people who need it most. We've seen here emergency ration packs for children, providing the nutrients for those children that are severely underfed and are on the risk of malnutrition. But this is very much an international, I want to make this very clear, this is very much an international programme. The UK plays a significant part, I'm very proud of that. Over the last 12 months we've donated in the region of £38 million to support the feeding of people in most need.
Mr. Guy Adwa, Deputy Country Director Operations, World Food Programme Abuja, thanked the UK government for its support in reaching over 1.8 million vulnerable population in 2022.
Thanks to the UK contribution, we have been able to provide food assistance to about 1.8 million last year. This is mainly in the northeast, and this year also our plan is to reach about 2 million, and we really appreciate the contribution that we are receiving from FCDO. As you know, WP is mainly in the northeast, saving lives but also changing lives. And as you've just seen, thanks to the contribution that we receive from FCDO, we have been able to maintain our UN Humanitarian Air Service. This is helping, humanitarian actors just to move around the country, just to provide the necessary support to the vulnerable people around, especially in the northeast part of Nigeria.
Ms. Christian Munduet, UNICEF's country representative to Nigeria, also said that through the support of the UK, UNICEF has saved the lives of severely malnourished children at risk of death. Also present at the event were Matthias Schmale, UN resident and humanitarian coordinator in Nigeria, and Dr. Nasser Sani Gwarzo, Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development.
In the Northeast, the UK has supported us through in nutrition and water and sanitation as well. Thanks to them, we were able to reach thousands of children who are suffering severe acute malnutrition, which is the malnutrition where children are urgently needing therapeutical, which means medical life-saving actions. And this we do through providing therapeutical foods that save the children's life. We have more or less 1.4 million children suffering severe acute malnutrition in the entire country. And this is why partners and supporters like the United Kingdom government are really critical and important to save the lives of these children.